Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Ever dreamed of making pizzeria-quality pizza right in your own backyard? A pizza oven makes that dream a delicious reality, cooking pies in just 90 seconds to 2 minutes. The secret is the extreme heat, often reaching 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which perfectly crisps the base while melting your toppings. This intense cooking environment gives your pizza that irresistible char and chew, creating a truly authentic taste experience. You'll quickly see why these ovens are a game changer for home cooks. Before any cooking begins, thoroughly preheat your pizza oven. This isn't just a suggestion, it's essential for achieving that ideal crust and quick bake. Aim for a stone temperature between 800 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit, letting it soak up heat for at least 20 minutes. For wood-fired ovens, use small, dry hardwood pieces to build a roaring flame. Propane models simply need enough time to register the high temperature. This ensures your first pizza, and everyone after, cooks evenly and quickly. Launching your pizza into the blazing hot oven is often the most nerve-wracking part, but it's simpler than you think. First, always prepare your pizza directly on a well-floured peel using semolina or fine cornmeal. Work quickly to add toppings, then give the peel a gentle shake to ensure the dough moves freely. When ready, position the peel at the back of the oven, tilt it slightly, and with a confident, smooth push and pull motion, slide your masterpiece directly onto the hot stone. Once your pizza is in the oven, cooking happens incredibly fast, often in under 2 minutes. The key to even cooking is continuous rotation because the heat is most intense at the back. After about 20 seconds, gently slide your turning peel under the pizza, lift it slightly, and rotate it a quarter turn. Repeat this process every 15 to 20 seconds until the crust is beautifully puffed, golden brown, and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Don't leave it unattended, even for a moment. While pizza is certainly the star, your oven is incredibly versatile. Think about baking focaccia, charring vegetables like peppers and onions, or even searing small cuts of meat for an amazing smoky flavor. The intense heat works wonders on many foods, creating that beautiful Maillard reaction. After you're done cooking, let the oven cool down naturally. Once it's completely cold, a simple wire brush is usually all you need to clean out any remnants. Happy cooking, and enjoy your amazing outdoor oven.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.